In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fill out USPS money order. So the first step is start by writing the name of the person or business you're paying on the line that says pay to or pay to the order of, and you have to make sure the spelling is correct because this can't be changed later. Next is fill in your full name and your address on the lines labeled from or purchase. This identifies you as the buyer. If needed, write a memo, account number, or reason for payment on the memo line. This helps make sure the payment is credited correctly. Next is sign your name on the purchaser's signature line. Don't sign the back. That's for the person who will receive it. And lastly, detach and keep the receipt. It has the money order number you'll need if anything happens or you want to track it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!